Recording a TV show on YouTube TV is incredibly simple thanks to its unlimited cloud DVR, which saves every episode automatically. There's no storage limit, no expiration for 9 months, and no need to manage space. Here's the clean, step-by-step guide to recording anything you want. Start by opening YouTube TV and using the search bar to find the show you want to record. When the show page opens, you'll see an Add to Library button. Select it once. The moment you add a show to your library, YouTube TV will automatically record all upcoming episodes, every rerun, future seasons, specials, and extended broadcasts, episodes airing on any channel. You don't need to manually schedule anything. YouTube TV's DVR captures everything and stores it for up to 9 months. To view your recordings, go to the Library tab. Shows are organized by most recent, alphabetical, and category, making it easy to find new episodes. If you only want to watch the newest episodes, scroll to New in your library, where fresh recordings appear at the top. To stop recording a show, simply return to the show page and select Remove from Library. With unlimited DVR and automatic recording, YouTube TV makes it effortless to keep up with your favorite series, even if you miss the live broadcast.